Rockford homeowners know that local weather can be tough on exterior doors. Cold winters, warm summers, strong winds, and seasonal moisture all place stress on entry doors year after year. When it's time to upgrade, choosing the right replacement door material is essential for long-term durability, comfort, energy efficiency, and security. Each door material performs differently in Rockford's climate, so understanding your options helps ensure a smart investment. Here's a guide to choosing the best replacement door material for Rockford homes. Steel doors. Strength and energy efficiency. Steel doors are a popular choice for homeowners who prioritize security and insulation. Modern steel doors feature insulated cores that help regulate indoor temperatures during Rockford's cold winters. Advantages of steel doors include exceptional strength and resistance to forced entry, excellent insulation when properly installed, long lifespan with minimal warping. Things to consider: steel doors can dent if struck and may require protective finishes to prevent rust, especially in areas exposed to moisture. Fiberglass doors. A balanced, climate-resistant option. Fiberglass doors are one of the best all-around choices for Rockford's varied climate. They're designed to handle temperature swings without warping or cracking. Why fiberglass works well: resistant to moisture and humidity, stable during temperature fluctuations, excellent insulation with solid quartz. Fiberglass doors can also mimic the look of real wood, making them ideal for homeowners who want both performance and style. Wood doors. Classic appeal with higher maintenance. Wood doors offer timeless beauty and traditional charm, making them popular for historic or classic Rockford homes. Benefits include rich, natural appearance, custom design options, strong structural feel. Climate considerations. Wood doors require regular maintenance to protect against moisture, expansion, and contraction. Without proper sealing and upkeep, they may warp or crack in Rockford's seasonal weather. Composite doors. Engineered for durability, composite doors combine multiple materials to create a strong, stable product designed for long-term performance. Advantages include high resistance to moisture and temperature changes, strong insulation properties, low maintenance requirements. Composite doors are an excellent choice for homeowners who want durability without the upkeep of wood. Insulated cores make a big difference regardless of material. The insulation inside the door plays a major role in energy efficiency. Doors with insulated cores help prevent heat loss during winter and reduce cooling demands in summer. Look for doors with polyurethane or polystyrene insulation, tight-fitting frames, energy-efficient weather stripping. These features are especially important in Rockford's cold seasons. Glass inserts and energy efficiency. Many replacement doors include glass panels or sidelights for natural light. In Rockford's climate, energy-efficient glazing is essential. Shoes. Double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, impact resistant or tempered glass. These features maintain efficiency without sacrificing brightness. Security considerations. By material, security varies by door material. Steel offers the highest impact resistance. Fiberglass and composite doors provide excellent strength when reinforced. Wood doors offer solid construction but rely heavily on proper installation. Pairing the right material with quality locks and frames ensures maximum protection. Professional installation matters. Even the best door material won't perform properly without correct installation. Professional installers ensure proper alignment and sealing, secure anchoring to framing. Maximum energy efficiency and durability. Installation quality directly affects how well a door handles Rockford's climate. Selecting the right door for long-term performance. Choosing the best replacement door material for Rockford's climate means balancing durability, energy efficiency, security, and maintenance needs. Fiberglass and composite doors offer excellent all-around performance. Steel doors provide unmatched strength, and wood doors deliver classic beauty with added care. By selecting the right material and ensuring professional installation, Rockford homeowners can enjoy a door that stands up to the elements while enhancing comfort and value for years to come.